Hello and welcome back to another video, everyone. So in this video today we are going to be adding stars, which means adding emotions and drama to the picture. You can see on your left side of the screen, this is how the photo used to look and this is how the photo looks now. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Well, before that, on this 23rd of April, my channel is going to turn 3 years. I started back in 2017, April 23rd. So there's going to be a special video coming on that day and it's going to be airing at 4 PM in IST. So don't forget to check that out. So the first thing we need to do, as you can see in the picture here, is we need to use the lasso tool. So we will go and we will select, we'll keep the star over there and we'll select the rest of the picture, and then we will make a selection like this. Then we will go to edit and we're gonna press content aware fill, and then as usual the green area is the area which Photoshop is gonna make selections from, and then we're gonna hit OK. After we hit OK, we will get something like this. So everything is completely back, so make sure to duplicate the layer before you do it. I have duplicated it thrice, so that we actually need 3 copies of the same image, and one I have just kept it for safety. So after everything, so now we will have something like this. So what we need to do is we need to hide this complete black layer. We need to go to this second layer which we had duplicated, and then we have to hit the quick selection tool, and after we hit quick selection tool we will get an option to select subject. So we need to hit select subjects. After it select the subjects, it's gonna look something like this. It's not gonna select everything, but we can use our plus brush tool and we can always select that. And after we hit the plus brush tool, we need to hit Ctrl X and Ctrl V, Command X and Command V in Mac. And then as you can see here, we have a lot of residue left from the previous picture which we don't want. We're gonna use our normal pen tool and we are just gonna make the selections, and we're gonna hit Command Enter or Control Enter in Windows, and then we're gonna hit delete, and we are gonna clear the things which we don't want. Let me just fast forward this a bit for you. After we did that, we can have something like this. We're gonna enable all our layers, and now you can see between the fingers of the legs there is a little bit of the picture we don't want, which is a little bit of white color. So we're gonna use our pen tool and again remove that just like this. After we remove that, the picture with only one star looks like a city with a lot of pollution, and we don't want that. We want the picture to have drama. We want the picture to have some emotions in it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our color palette over here and we're gonna select it to the complete white color. We're gonna go to brush and we're gonna make it about 1 pixel. So we're gonna make small stars first. So we're gonna randomly place stars just like this, and here 1 2 3 4. So we're gonna keep placing stars just like this, and what we are gonna do now is we're gonna increase the pixels, let's say about 3 pixels, and then we're gonna make a little more stars. So after we did a little bit of more stars, we're gonna increase it to 6 pixels and we're gonna make some little bigger stars, and we're gonna place it here and there, because some stars are far, some stars are near. So it really needs to look, so we really need to feel that depth of field inside that picture. So it's necessary to have the stars on a different layer because we are going to be adding outer glow to this. So double click that layer and press outer glow, and make sure that your opacity is at 25%, noise is at 2%, and spread is at 0 because we don't want it to spread a lot, and size is at 10 pixels. So it's already set in mind because I had already done this picture once previously, and then we're gonna hit OK. So if I hide the layer, this is how it was before and this is how it is now. So this is how it should usually look. It looks like stars are twinkling. So we get that effect, and then what we are gonna do, we are gonna adjust a little bit of exposure for our legs. So our background and our foreground must match each other. So after we match that, we're gonna use a little bit of curves and we're gonna do an adjustment, and there you have it. Voila, it's done. It was that easy. This tutorial was a very easy one, and I really like the way the picture looks. The left side of your screen, you can you can see the old picture, how boring it used to look, just a normal terrace, lying out your legs on the balcony or a terrace or something. And then the right side of the picture is so dramatic and so much filled with emotions, because it has stars, it has depth of field, and it just looks amazing. Although I would say if the picture clarity of the legs or the camera which they used in this picture would have been better, then the picture output we got would have been much better. So these tutorials, guys, these are so much fun to do, and this is the new series I have started called Photo Manipulation. There's already episode 1. This is the episode 2. It's going live today. And then that's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and make sure to press that bell icon so that you won't miss any videos we post. And make sure to share this video so everybody can build a depth of field and emotions and drama into their picture. And then comment your best part about this video in the comment section box below. And if you have any pictures that you want me to edit and feature you in this channel, send them to me. My email ID is down in the description down below, and my email ID is prehistoricpolymath@gmail.com. With that said, stay hungry and stay foolish.
Yeah.